angels, and welcome back to my channel. It is Mama Savvy here with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. Today's video is crafted for the event savvy angel and you. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you'll stay a while. Hit that subscribe button. If this is not your first time gracing my channel, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here again. Until a few months ago, I was unaware of what people refer to as a sip and see. If you are unfamiliar with the term like myself, a sip and see is basically a baby shower that you have after the baby is born. With this video, I want to go over some points of why I think having a sip and see is a great alternative to a baby shower. So obviously, if you watched my past video on how to plan an inexpensive baby shower, you know that I myself had a baby shower for my baby Savvy. Initially, I went back and forth about my baby shower. I wanted to just get baby Savvy what she needed versus having people bring her things and throwing an entire baby shower. Some people have the luxury of having other people throw the event for them so they don't have to be so hands-on with their own event. I of course had the help, which I much appreciated, but I was very instrumental in making my own baby shower happen. So that is the perspective that I would be giving why having a sip and see is a lovely alternative. The number one reason why I believe it is a great idea to have a sip and see versus a baby shower is you will be on maternity leave. So because you will wait until after you have the baby, maybe wait till the baby matures a little bit, and then you throw yourself a sip and see. If you know me personally, you know my first experience with the sip and see was this past month at my sister's sip and see for her new addition to her family. My sister is on maternity leave, so I got to see how the process went for her while she was planning her sip and see, and I think it is definitely ideal. I got lucky while planning my baby shower and I was not working currently at the time. A sip and see is going to be a better option because you are now working on that mama energy you have after delivering your baby versus the third trimester exhaustion you may experience. And along with that same reasoning, there's no rush. Of course, like when you're having a baby shower, you want to get the baby shower done before you have the baby because you want to take those pictures all pregnant and nice with your family, which is great. I would never take back that from my baby shower. I think it's very ideal for a first-time mom to do it that way. This alternative is great because you don't have to worry about rushing. You can plan your sip and see even 3 months after having your baby, when your baby is all mature, all cute, not looking like a little alien. So you'll have great pictures just like you have great pictures from your baby shower. Number 2 is the baby is going to be the center of attention. So with the same idea of having great pictures, you're no longer the focus of your event. Everybody is literally coming to see the baby. I don't know, I felt a little bit uncomfortable at my baby shower because I felt like people were looking at me, looking at my stomach. And because I am a single mom and I threw my baby shower alone without the child's father, it also was a little bit awkward as all the attention being on me. It was lovely. I knew it was coming from a place of love, but being pregnant, being tired, it was just a little much. I think a sip and see is a great alternative because you get to divert that attention from yourself and put it on this lovely human being that you just brought into the world. So the baby gets all the shine in the situation. The number 3 reason to have a sip and see is you get to sip on something, okay? I am not supporting alcoholism at all, but being pregnant and drinking is just frowned upon. You cannot do that. But after you have your baby, breastfeeding or not, you can have you a glass or 2 or 3, okay? So after waiting 9 long months, you get to enjoy your baby with everybody else. You get to pass your baby on. You have a good, like, I don't know how many hours people put into an event. So let's say a good 5 hours without having to hold your baby, and you get to hold a glass of wine. I personally didn't have alcohol at my baby shower, but I know of people who did allow drinking at their baby shower, and it's just like, ugh. The number 4 and final reason why I believe a sip and see is a great alternative to a baby shower is because it puts less pressure on your guests. Everyone wants to see the baby anyway. Everyone doesn't want to bombard you when they can see the child. So having a set date in time for everyone to come see your child. It's less pressure on everybody else and less pressure on yourself to have to schedule out all these meet and greets with this new addition to your family. Also, along those same lines, it's less pressure on what to get. Obviously, you had this baby for a month or 2 or 3 months now, so the baby has what the baby needs, and everything else is just a lighthearted shower of gifts for your child. So just to wrap this up, I want to say traditional baby showers can never be replaced. It's a great idea in general to celebrate new life. Whatever you choose to do, just choose to be surrounded by love. So I appreciate you all for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below if you had baby showers for all of your children, or if you plan to have baby showers for your children, how you feel about baby showers, how you now feel about a sip and see. And as always, I pray you all continue to live your blessed life. Thanks for watching.